Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best garage floor sealers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've ranked them based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated prices, you can check out the links in the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. Alright, so let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Beat 20 feet or 6 meter Universal Garage Threshold Seal Strip. While technically more of a threshold seal than a floor sealer, it earns its spot for its ability to keep your garage clean and dry by stopping water, dirt, and debris from entering under your garage door. Made from durable EPDM rubber, this seal strip is built to withstand extreme temperatures and daily wear and tear, making it a great solution for high-traffic garages. The standout feature here is its thoughtful design. It includes a bright yellow safety strip for visibility, serrated grooves for added grip, and a universal fit that works on various surfaces like concrete and asphalt. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included adhesives, and the 20-foot length can be cut to fit your specific needs. However, it's worth noting that this product is more about sealing the threshold rather than coating the entire garage floor. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to improve your garage's cleanliness and energy efficiency, this is a solid option. That said, it's not a traditional floor sealer, so keep that in mind if you need full floor protection. Pros: easy installation, durable materials, and excellent sealing capabilities. Cons: limited to threshold use rather than full floor sealing. Coming in at number 4 is the Liquid Rubber Basement and Foundation Repair Sealant. This product is all about heavy-duty protection with a professional-grade waterproof rubber membrane. It's designed to prevent water damage and seal cracks in concrete, making it ideal for not just garage floors, but also basements, foundations, and planter boxes. With 900% elongation, it offers exceptional flexibility, allowing it to handle movement and temperature fluctuations without cracking. One of its strongest selling points is its versatility. It adheres to a wide variety of surfaces, including wood, metal, and masonry, and its zero VOC, water-based formula makes it safe for indoor use. However, it does require multiple coats for optimal coverage and isn't suitable for walking surfaces due to its tacky finish when cured, with coverage ranging from 20 to 50 square feet per gallon depending on the number of coats. It's a specialized product that excels in targeted waterproofing rather than general-purpose sealing. If you're tackling a serious waterproofing project, this is a fantastic option. But for those looking for a simple, glossy finish for their garage floor, this might not be the right choice. Pros: exceptional waterproofing and flexibility. Eco-friendly formula. Cons: limited use on walking surfaces and time-intensive application. At number 3, we have the BEST Concrete Sealer 9500 ready to use. This contractor-grade sealer is a powerhouse when it comes to protecting garage floors from moisture, de-icing salts, and freeze-thaw damage. It uses a silane/siloxane formula to penetrate deeply into the surface and create a hydrophobic barrier, preventing water and salt from seeping in. This makes it ideal for garages in colder climates where freeze-thaw cycles are a concern. The natural finish is a highlight here, as it preserves the original look of your concrete without creating a glossy or slippery surface. It's also breathable and low VOC, making it safer for both the environment and your health. With a coverage range of 125 to 400 square feet per gallon, depending on the surface porosity, it's quite efficient. However, it does require proper surface preparation for the best results, which might be a hassle for some users. This sealer is perfect for those who prioritize long-term durability and protection over aesthetic enhancements. Pros: deep penetration, excellent water and salt resistance, and natural finish. Cons: requires surface prep and doesn't provide a glossy look. Our runner-up is the Wet Look Stone Sealer by Limino. If you're looking to transform your garage floor with a stunning wet look finish, this is an excellent choice. This acrylic-based sealer enhances the natural beauty of concrete, slate, and decorative stones, giving them a vibrant, glossy appearance. It's especially effective for reviving dull and worn surfaces, making it a great budget-friendly option for aesthetic upgrades. The formula is water-based, low VOC, and easy to apply using a sprayer, brush, or roller. It provides solid protection against stains from oil, grease, and tire marks, and its UV-stable, non-yellowing finish ensures long-lasting results. However, for more porous materials, you may need to apply multiple coats to achieve the desired effect. With a price point of $38.99, it's the most affordable option on our list, but it still delivers impressive results. This sealer is perfect for homeowners who want a high-gloss, low-maintenance finish without breaking the bank. Pros: affordable, easy to apply, and delivers a beautiful, wet-look finish. Cons: limited durability compared to premium options and requires multiple coats for porous surfaces. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Beast Paver Sealer 8600 Wet Look. This premium sealer offers a medium gloss wet look finish that enhances the natural color and texture of your garage floor while providing incredible durability. With a water-based acrylic formula, it protects against stains, water absorption, and UV damage, ensuring your floor stays pristine for years. What sets this product apart is its versatility. It works on a wide range of surfaces, from new and old concrete to pavers and bricks, making it an excellent all-around choice. The coverage of up to 250 square feet per gallon is generous, and the low odor and low VOC formula make it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. While it's the most expensive option on our list at $68.99, its performance and long-lasting results justify the price. If you want the perfect balance of aesthetics and protection, the Beast Paver Sealer is the way to go. Pros: stunning medium gloss finish, excellent durability, and broad compatibility. Cons: higher price point and may require additional coats for porous surfaces. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best garage floor sealer for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, take care.